Good morning to one and everyone. 11 commerce. The main subjects are accountancy, statistics, economics and OC. Out of these subjects, statistics one of the important subjects, scoring subject, practical subject. We have started chapter number 1, collection of data in statistics. Population and sample. What do you understand by population? Population means universe. The whole data or the set of the data under study, it is known as population. And sample, it is the part of the population which is taken for the analysis purpose. So population is total number of units, total number of outcomes, while the sample, it is a part of population. There are two types of data, quantitative and qualitative phenomenon. Quantitative characteristics mean what? The quantitative data means the data which can be expressed in numbers, the data which can be expressed numerically, it is known as quantitative data. And the data which are not expressed in numbers means in number system, it is known as qualitative data. Quantity means height, weight, temperature, rainfall, production, agricultural production, industrial production, sale, profit, production, population, etc. This data can be expressed in number and that is why they are known as quantitative data. The qualitative data which cannot be expressed in number, such as honesty of the person, expression of the person, nature or habit of the person, we can't express in numbers and that is why they are known as qualitative phenomenon or qualitative data. Now sampling. Sampling can be taken two ways. Sampling with replacement and sampling without replacement. With replacement means what? If there are 52 number of the cards in a deck or in a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, and if you want to draw the two cards, then first card is taken and at the second draw, if the first card is replaced back before the next draw, then it is known as with replacement. A well shuffled deck of a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, and if we want to draw two cards, two number of the cards are out of it, then one by one card is taken. But if the card drawn in the first draw, if it is set back to the population before the next draw, then it is known as sampling with replacement. And if not, if the card, whatever may be selected in the first draw, if it is not replaced back to the population before the next draw, then it is known as sampling without replacement. Two types of sampling, sampling with replacement and sampling without replacement. Now moreover, the data are of two types, primary data and secondary data. Primary data means what? The definition of primary data. The data which can be obtained for the first time. If investigator collect the data himself, the data collected by investigator, by the surveyor himself, for his own purpose, or the data which are collected for the first time, it is known as primary data. In India, there are various agencies that collecting the primary data. NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization. We have seen yesterday, last time. Therefore, the primary data means data which are collected basically for the first time. Scientists experiment, the surveyor or reporter, the data can be known as primary data. Different methods for collecting the primary data. There are various methods, mainly three methods: direct personal investigation method, indirect oral method and questionnaire method. Now what is direct personal investigation method? In this method, investigator contact personally to the informants and ask the different questions relating to the inquiry and the collect the data. It is known as direct personal investigation method. This method is time consuming all the data obtained under this method are more accurate and hence more reliable. While indirect order system, the data are not obtained from the informants directly, but the investigator contact the third party. Investigator contact the third party who have the complete idea, complete information about informants. Indirect means via media. Via media. Third party is interfering this method. Indirect oral method is not accurate and not reliable, as investigator cannot direct contact to the informants. This method is quite cheap but not much reliable. Generally, criminal investigation department, police department make use of this method to reach a certain decision or certain criminals. The questionnaire method. This is one of the important methods for collecting primary data. The questionnaire, the meaning of this word questionnaire, a list of questions suitably drafted, it is known as questionnaire. Questionnaire means a list of different questions relating to the inquiry, suitably drafted, and if it is printed and posted, it is known as sent through post, and if the direct method is applied, it is known as sent through enumerator. The questionnaire method is applied when wide scope, wide area, vast area can be covered. Sent through post means what? A list of questions is printed and posted to the informants. Informants are requested to fill up that particular questionnaire form and sent back to the appointed authority within the given time limit. Questionnaire system. Under this method, one can cover wide area, large area, but the information collected under this method are not much reliable because sometimes data may be away from the reality and hence not reliable. Data may be not in the adequate form. Sent through enumerator means what? Enumerators, surveyor or estimators. They are well-trained people. Well-trained people and scheduled training is also given to them, and that is it is also known as the schedule method. Schedule method. Sent through enumerator or estimators. They are well-trained people, appointed people for the specific purpose. Training is also given to them how to collect the data, how to collect the information, how to cross-examine the informants, and a form is also given to them. They personally contact to the informant, and by asking the question, they fill up the form. This method is as good as direct person investigation method. This method sent through enumerator method, estimator method is as good as direct person investigation method. Government make use of this method. Government make use of this method under population census and certain inquiries. Now the characteristics of the ideal questionnaire. What ideal questionnaire it should possess? Then it should have the limited question, short type of question, not confidential thing contained, and etc. You read from book, main points, primary data collection method, direct person method, indirect oral method, and questionnaire method with its merits and demerits. Because the first chapter, collection of the data, pure theory, totally theory chapter. And question for 1 mark and question for 3 to 4 marks can be asked. Short-term type also question can be asked from it. And so properly read and prepare your notes. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you very much.